Hello everyone, this is CEO100 April. Today I will show you how to play alternate Nintendo GameCube startup sounds. Normally, the original startup sound for this classic Nintendo video game console would sound like this. From what I discovered a few years ago, if you start up your Nintendo GameCube or restart it and hold down the Z button on top of a single GameCube controller, a different startup sound would play. Watch and listen as I restart this console again. That was really unique and clever. As you probably heard, it had different music and a sound of a squeaky toy followed by a stock sound effect of a young child laughing. That reminds me of alternate Windows sound schemes and Microsoft Plus desktop themes for some old Windows operating systems for PCs, except this is a Nintendo video game console from the early 2000s with different startup sounds exclusively played when a cool controller trick is performed. Kudos, Nintendo! There is a third startup sound that also plays if you hold down the Z button on the top of all four Nintendo GameCube controllers, but unfortunately I only have two Nintendo GameCube controllers. One jet black controller, which came with my copy of this video game console since it has the same color, and one indigo and clear controller, which I'm using mainly right now since indigo is my favorite color of this console and its controller, so I'm sorry that I can't demonstrate it in this video, but you can find it in some other YouTube videos about this cool trick. Of course, it only works on an actual Nintendo GameCube video game console. Anyway, that will be it for this short tutorial video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Goodbye everybody, and that's about it.